Messages transmitted at the request of the Forest Service Utah Avalanche Center. This avalanche warning is for all the mountains of northern Utah. Deadly human-triggered avalanches continue to be very likely on steeper slopes. Avalanches can be triggered from a distance, so stay out from underneath steep slopes as well. People without expert-level backcountry avalanche skills are urged to stay out of the backcountry. This warning does not include ski areas or highways, where avalanche control is normally done. For more information, visit www.avalanche.org or call 1-888-999-4019. Now here is the hazardous weather out.
And here's the avalanche warning.
I got to go with this prescription. I got there with diapers. I got there with soda and cereal.
And that's it.